The Khechari Mudra is performed either at the top of the in-breath or at the bottom of a gentle Simhasana Pranayama. And while the tongue is inside, we breathe the Ujjayi Pranayama, sealing the breath inside as long as you can sustain. While looking between the eyebrows, whether passively open or eyes closed, or you can internally look at your nose tip. And then to release the technique, let go of the tongue and exhale naturally out while relaxing the body. And you do the process again. So I'll show a quick demo and I'll perform it at the bottom of the Simhasana Pranayama. What do we gain out of the practice? Think about this. You're opening the dormant centers, deep channels in the body. And like the river, you're using the pressure of the breath to irrigate those points, leading to more openness in the nadis. And you're retaining the breath within to be able to absorb the higher functions and potentials of your breath. And this leads to high energy levels. The bandhas within unify the forces, send the force up to the brain through your central canal. The eyes being its adjunctive aid, in lifting the energy to the brain. The tongue has a connection to all the many hidden channels in the body. And it's the final blockage or obstacle, leading to experiencing the cranial cavity. The Ujjayi Pranayama is a powerful technique of opening the higher centers, particularly the heart, vibrating the heart, as well as sending the vibration to the brain. And all of this shall lead to our awareness of our subtle anatomy. The Khechari Mudra is the culmination of the various techniques of Hatha Yoga. And then this prepares us for stillness and silence later on in the practice. I'll see you in the next one.